farm belongs to.
Thank you very much, our visitors. You have a plan?
Yes, karibuni. I'm called Kwamba.
These are like 13 beds, and the length is like.
The objective within this reacting project is to reduce the prevalence of iron deficiency and vitamin A deficiency through a food-based approach. And we normally say, let us empower the farmer, let the farmer eat nutritious food in order to curb those two very important public health deficiencies in this country.
By the coming or introduction of this particular program, I think we have seen so many families improve in terms of health and reduce the cost of going to hospitals regularly.
We have lived a healthy life through this enrich program. Tumepata mapato kupitia roots na pines. We have created wealth. Self-reliant. Mi sina kazi, I'm jobless, but I'm self-reliant. Ukiona my status sometimes nikiamua kudunga, watu wanasema huyu mama anafanya kazi wapi? But kazi yangu ni hii. Na ninashukuru those people who came with these ideas, support, na washukuru sana.